guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be shooting this beautiful cut crease look for Ganesh Chaturthi. And if you wanna know how I get this look and what products I use, then please continue watching. Before then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. So let's get started. I've already done my brows and also covered my lid to save some time, and starting off with priming up my skin. For that I'm using the Nykaa primer over here, using it only on my T-zone areas. Next up, for some hydration, I'm taking the primer serum and applying it all over my face. This is a very hydrating serum and it also keeps your base intact throughout the day. So it's a very good product for all the office going and college going people. Now I'm adding the Color Bar Spray Mist to add a little bit of hydration. I have used some sticky tapes around my eyes, and taking the Gorgeous Me Beauty Glaze palette, I'm taking this shade right here and using it as my transition and start buffing it into my skin. I will keep adding the color until I'm happy with the transition. I'm gonna keep blending and melting the color into my skin so that it looks very natural. Now going a shade darker here, I'm taking a small blending brush and dusting off the excess and start working it on my crease. And I'm start making it more intensified towards the crease so that it looks very on the ombre effect. I will blend the color very beautifully. Next, going this dark brown shade over here and dusting off the excess, going all over my crease again just to deepen up the look a little more. I don't have to worry about the shape because we are using tape outside our eyes. And now cutting off the crease, I'm taking a concealer and just cutting up my crease where my whole lid got open, just stenciling it out. And now I'm gonna join all the sketches that I've made and start painting up my lid. You have to be very patient and you need practice to cutting your crease, because at one time you're not gonna master it out, so you have to keep practicing out for that. I'm going very carefully with my hands and also making sure that everything is covered up and all my crease is cutting very cleaned out. And now I'm going to diffuse the edges with the finger so that it looks a little more on the blended and the natural side, not look very harsh. Taking this beautiful rose pink shade, it is on the shimmer side. I'm gonna swatch it and taking it on my finger and pat it on my lid. And also I'm gonna taking the help of the brush to cover the corners. And I'm just patting the color all over the lid. Now I'm taking a thin brush and that brown shade, and I'm gonna go one more time around my crease, just gonna intensify the area. I'm just gonna go over it very close to the crease, not inserting it out, so that it actually accentuates your crease, and it really works. Now for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline foundation, and I'll also add some serum as well. I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna buff the product so nicely into the skin so that it looks more on the natural side. It gives a very natural and plain canvas for me. And now I'm gonna contour my face with the help of a lipstick and just gonna blend out all the things up. Next up, I'm gonna use a face tint from Face Shop and gonna use it on my cheeks as a blush. This is a really blood red color and it's very pigmented and it blends a little. It takes a little more time to blend it out because it's very pigmented, so it does leave a stain. Next up we have contouring, and for that I'm using the Tintin contour palette and start contouring my face. I'm just using it on the hollows of my cheek, on my jawlines and on my forehead. Now for the concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal and highlighting my under eyes, my jawlines, my chin and the bridge of my nose, just to make my face look more chiseled and sharp. Make sure you are going into dabbing motion instead of dragging the product out, because when you dab the product it kind of blend really beautifully, but when you drag your sponge and then the products just got like, it just plays as a plain canvas. It does not add any kind of dimensions. So make sure कि आप अपने product को, whatever product you are applying, आप उसको अच्छे से blend कर रहे हैं. And इस चीज़ में time लगता है, तो please be patient and keep doing it. Next up, we're gonna set my face with Fit Me Loose powder. I'm in the shade light medium. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and the other areas that I use concealer on. मैं बहुत थोड़ा पाउडर यूज़ करूँगी, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इससे आपका फेस बहुत ऐशी दिखता है, जो हमें नहीं करना है. Now it's time to add color to the face. तो मैं bronzer यूज़ करने वाली हूँ and I'm just gonna use it on the cheek areas and मैं इसको ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाऊँगी on the upward side so that it makes my look more lifted up. मेरा face उससे और lifted up दिखेगा. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने लिंक इस नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, आप लिंक्स के साथ उन्हें चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. Now it's time for highlighter. I'm taking the Colorbar highlighter. ये बहुत ही everyday look highlighter है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. और आप अगर ऑफिस और कॉलेज जाने वाले लोग हैं और अगर आपको डेली उसमें थोड़ी सी शीन चाहिए, तो आप ये हाइलाइटर बिल्कुल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And this is my final look that I came up with. I've added a lipstick to my face and lashes and a bindi, and you can see this. Hey guys, I hope you like this look, and if you do, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel with your friends. And till then, take care, bye bye.